Hi friends, I just bought this phone Redmi 6 Pro. This is made in India and it's black in color with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. Let's unbox this. As you can see, the phone is new. Redmi 6 Pro from MI Xiaomi. Let's see what's inside. It says instruction book and a back cover. The company is nowadays providing a back cover too with the package. We have wire, charging wire. This is a charger. (12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AL dual camera, 5.84 inch and 4000 mAh battery. Let's start. It's opening for the first time. MIUI 9. Let's set up the mobile. I quickly set up the mobile. Choose your region and network and all terms condition. Have to accept all. Insert SIM card and Google agreement. This is set password. Add fingerprint. This is fingerprint. This is drawing pattern. Now I'm adding my fingerprint to it. Yes. These are the additional settings you can see. When you buy, you have to go through all this. It takes a time. Theme and all setting up. This is setup complete. As you can see, these are the cameras, fingerprint. You have one side volume button and the other side power button, the speaker, microphone. Top we have audio port, infrared. Let's brighten up the mobile. Yeah, here we go. Let's see. We have 8.1 Android, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB internal memory. It has an octa-core processor, Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor, remarkable speed, meaning you can handle large app with ease and always get a smooth gaming experience. You see the storage is occupied. Almost 22 GB is free. Almost 8 to 10 GB is occupied by the application internal system of the phone. We have apps like screen recorder, calculator and etc. Let's see the camera. We have camera. These are the terms and conditions and blah blah. You can make short video. This is video, short video, photo, portrait mode. Then we have panorama manual and you can square. These are the photos taken from the back camera, which is 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. Very nice photos, beautiful photos. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, video companion.